How to fix Instagram black screen issue easy and fast. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager on your phone like this and go to apps. Now as you can see, it will take you to this page directly. Right here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down until you find Instagram and click on it like this and then click on storage. And after that, all what you have to do is wait a few seconds and then click on clear data and clear cache like this. Go back and now click on the force stop option and restart your phone, then reopen Instagram and the problem must be fixed. If it's not, then all what you have to do is go to Play Store and go to the search bar and search for Instagram and then click here on Instagram and click on update if there is a new update. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end.